come with me on an adventure. It doesn't have to be big to be an adventure. Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday and welcome to the woods. My name is Koosje Koenen and I am here to guide you on your creative journey. And today I am drawing in nature because I love these woods, which are really close to my home. It's cold because it's February as I am filming this, but I am going to go on a little bit of exploration, and my sketching gear is just this. I brought my tiny sketchbook, which I don't know the brand of, and a bunch of tiny tools, crayons and colored pencils. And we'll see what we can use. I start with water-soluble pencil, and right away I realized that I meant to bring my water brush and I forgot. That's okay, I'm not worrying about it and just drawing the crooked trees that I see. I find my green water-soluble crayon to draw the needles. I'm not being super accurate, just having fun making marks. I'm not distracted by any thoughts because it's quite challenging standing here holding that tiny sketchbook as well as managing and switching tools. I need all my brain power for that. So I don't feel any pressure really to do it right, get it right. It's like drawing with your non-dominant hand. Your brain is sort of confused and that takes over. It distracts from thoughts about results or perfectionism or anything like that. I'm just enjoying looking at the trees and beautiful textures that I see. I cannot capture all of it with my marks on that tiny piece of paper, but I am capturing the feeling, the moment. This is all about being in the moment, being present, not about having the perfect circumstances, art supplies, or ideas. It's about being where you want to be and capturing the moment. I think this is really inspiring. And this tiny adventure, I learned about it from Michael Nobbs. Because of health issues, Michael, who is a British illustrator, needs to be careful with his energy, what he does and when and where. So he introduced tiny adventures in his sketchbook practice. They take place in his backyard or even at home on a different spot than where he usually creates. I think it's brilliant and I wish for all of us to do that from time to time. Go on a tiny adventure with your sketchbook. Since I forgot my water brush, I am being creative and I'm using some spit. Is that weird or disgusting? It's my sketchbook, so who cares? When you have limited tools, you need to be extra creative. If I would have brought only my sketchbook and forgotten all my tools, I would probably have drawn with a twig and some mud. I love this spot. I have drawn here on the other side before for a Draw Tip Tuesday video. Now I am going to relax and take my walk into the woods. How great that the sun came through. What a wonderful gift. Your sketchbook is your playground, and if you need spit or you need to abstract things that you see, that's totally fine. Just have fun and be creative, because that is what it's all about. Your sketchbook is your creative playground. If you need an assignment this week, I say go on a tiny adventure. You don't have to go into the woods. Maybe your tiny adventure is in your backyard or on your balcony or in your kitchen or in a cafe, well, you get the idea. Make it attainable, simple, combine it with something that you love anyway, and have fun drawing. See you next week. Bye.